Vlogger, I knew you were going to start moving as soon as I turned the camera off. Come on, baby. You like the sound of the keyboard? Is that what was making you move? Still got hiccups a little bit. Could see my stomach jump a little bit. I'm so excited that I can see that from the outside. He must have turned or something. I've never been able to see that from the outside yet. That's amazing. It's kind of a cool Christmas present. Ephraim, really? You were totally bugging out. Why are you so camera shy? It's just for Daddy. You can move for Daddy. You can move for Daddy. It's all right.